Lynn.
Oh, it's like totally attached.
It's There's a wasp's nest, and Lynn is gonna try to get. Oh my god!
Oh my god! What if it comes out?
I know that's what I was saying. Oh wait! Oh no, you're stuck.
I only want one page of this.
Oh god, this is like that YouTube video with that dad and the spider. Shit. Oh. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Is it stuck like really hard?
I'm destroying it! Dude, it's totally... We need like a knife or something.
Oh god. It's really hard.
I don't want to destroy its home.
Well, it's not like he's gonna put it back up.
Don't attack me. Where is this wasp?
Maybe it's in your pants.
Oh, I feel like such a bad person right now. It's just down there. Oh, wait.